Windows 11 is evolving faster than ever, and Microsoft's latest preview build finally delivers something users have been demanding for years: a true, consistent dark mode experience across File Explorer. But that's just the beginning. The new Windows 11 version 25H2 build 26200.6772 brings smarter AI-powered features, stronger security, and some controversial setup changes that could shape how users install Windows in the future. In this video, we'll explore every major change, from dark mode improvements to the new click-to-do capabilities, updated Windows Hello fingerprint support, and everything in between, including the hidden fixes, new bugs, and why this update has the entire Windows community talking. So let's dive deep into the details of this massive Windows 11 update and see what makes build 26200.6772 such a game changer. Microsoft has once again surprised users by releasing new Windows 11 preview builds on Monday, and this time, it's a big one. Windows 11 build 26200.6772 for version 25H2 and build 26100.6772 for version 24H2 are now live in the dev and beta channels, bringing long-awaited dark mode upgrades, new features for click-to-do, enhanced sign-in security, and several under-the-hood fixes that make Windows 11 smoother than ever. Let's start with what everyone's been waiting for. Dark mode in File Explorer finally gets the polish it deserves. After years of inconsistency, Microsoft has updated File Explorer's copy, move, and delete dialogues to fully support dark mode, offering a clean, modern, and uniform look across progress bars, chart views, confirmation boxes, and even error dialogues. This means when you copy or move files, the pop-up dialogues now perfectly match your system's dark theme. No more blinding white windows in the middle of your sleek dark setup. The experience feels cohesive, elegant, and professional, signaling that Microsoft is finally paying attention to visual consistency across the operating system. Next up, let's talk about Click-to-Do Preview, Microsoft's latest multitasking innovation. This tool now includes Image Object Select, which lets users hover over any image to highlight selectable objects. Once selected, you can copy and paste those objects into other apps, or even use them to start a chat with Copilot for insights, creative ideas, or AI-powered actions. It's like a mini Photoshop combined with AI right inside Windows, a clear sign that Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of creativity and productivity integration. Additionally, Click-to-Do now supports unit conversion, allowing users to quickly convert values like length, weight, area, temperature, volume, and speed directly from the screen. When you hover over a number and unit combination, a small tooltip instantly shows a converted value, and if you click it, more options appear in the context menu. This feature seamlessly connects with Microsoft Copilot, providing even deeper conversion and contextual data. Although it's not yet available for Windows insiders in the European Economic Area or China, this feature adds real intelligence to everyday workflows. Moving on to security, Microsoft is taking Windows Hello to a new level with enhanced sign-in security, ESS, now supporting peripheral fingerprint sensors. Previously, ESS worked only with built-in biometric sensors, but with this update, even desktops and Copilot Plus PCs can enjoy the same advanced protection. Simply plug in a compatible fingerprint reader, go to Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options, and enroll your fingerprint for a safer, faster login experience. This move not only boosts accessibility, but also strengthens endpoint protection, especially for enterprise users. Another cool addition is the ability to name your default user folder during setup, a small yet powerful customization feature users have been requesting for years. During the out-of-box experience, OOB, pressing Shift plus F10 opens Command Prompt, where you can navigate to the directory and use the command Set Default User Folder CMD, followed by your desired folder name. The name can be up to 16 characters, only supports Unicode, and automatically filters out special characters. This means no more random or email-based folder names. You get to personalize it your way. But with great news comes a bit of controversy. Microsoft is officially removing known methods for creating local accounts during setup. Previously, users could bypass Microsoft account requirements using local-only commands, but now those loopholes are gone. The company says this change ensures a fully configured and secure setup experience, but for many privacy-conscious users, it feels like a step backward as it forces Internet and Microsoft account sign-in during OB. This move could spark debate, as it changes how power users set up Windows Fresh installs, but Microsoft insists it's necessary for consistency and security. On the bug fix side, Microsoft has delivered several quality improvements across core areas of the OS. In File Explorer, issues where encrypted file system (EFS) dialogues didn't scale properly with increased text size are now fixed, ensuring better accessibility. The taskbar and system tray have also been fine-tuned, fixing a bug where the system tray would sometimes peek up even when auto-hide was enabled, and another issue where clicking on an app thumbnail didn't actually bring the window to the front. These changes, though small, make multitasking smoother and eliminate long-standing annoyances. Over in Windows Studio Effects, users who had webcam preview failures due to firmware issues can now safely re-enable Studio Effects. This fix restores the advanced camera enhancement features many creators rely on. Microsoft has also addressed a bug in settings where certain network adapters displayed incorrect link speeds, ensuring accurate network information. On the performance front, Hyper-V virtual machines with TPM support on ARM64 devices now start correctly, resolving a major headache for developers and IT professionals. Video playback reliability has also been improved, fixing issues with protected content on Blu-ray, DVD, and digital TV apps that use enhanced video renderer with HDCP enforcement, which means smoother, uninterrupted playback for media lovers. Of course, no insider build is complete without a few lingering issues, and Microsoft has listed them clearly. Currently, Click to Do has a bug where launching it via a right edge gesture shows the animation on the wrong display, and the team is investigating. On the lock and login screens, a new issue has emerged where the touch keyboard may fail to launch. Users can temporarily use the on-screen keyboard from the accessibility menu as a workaround. Meanwhile, the taskbar and system tray preview animations remain disabled because they were interfering with Windows sharing. Microsoft promises to restore them once stable. Overall, this update delivers a solid balance between aesthetic refinement, intelligent productivity tools, and much-needed stability fixes. The enhanced dark mode alone makes File Explorer feel more polished and modern, while features like Click to Do and Unit Conversion hint as smarter Windows future build around AI and contextual awareness. Security improvements like ESS fingerprint support show Microsoft's continued focus on user protection, while the customization of user folders adds a personal touch many will appreciate. However, the removal of local account setup options may divide users. It's convenient for those who rely on Microsoft services, but restrictive for those who prefer offline setups. Still, this change aligns with Microsoft's long-term vision of creating a unified, cloud-connected ecosystem where every feature integrates tightly with AI and Microsoft 365. If you're part of the Windows Insider program, this build is absolutely worth exploring for its visual polish, stability, and AI enhancements. But if you prefer stability and control over your setup options, you might want to wait until the official 25H2 release rolls out later this year with final refinements. So, should you install Windows 11 build 26200.6772 right now? If you love exploring new features, dark mode enhancements, and early access to smarter tools like Click to Do, absolutely yes. This update feels modern, stable, and intelligent. But if you prefer the classic setup freedom with local accounts or rely on ultimate stability, it's better to hold off until the official 25H2 release. Either way, this update shows that Microsoft is taking bold steps toward a more connected, AI-powered Windows future. Stay tuned for more insider updates, breakdowns, and hidden features right here on TechVerse, where we decode technology and bring you the future one update at a time.